come true.
Hey lovers and friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of Life with Munch. If you're a returnee, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I will be creating this look. This is my current makeup routine, like everything. I am even doing my brows on camera. This video was requested by come here, man. Nyeletan. Yes. What's her other name? The name she uses on Instagram. Charlotte. Yes. She requested the makeup look. Well, except the red eyeshadow at the bottom. If you are in a rush and you can't do eyeshadow, what you need to do is draw a line on your lower lash using one of the colors that you're wearing. And I knew I was wearing something red, so that's what I did, honey boo boo. If you are interested in this 3-in-1 get ready with me, please carry on watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In today's video, I am using the GROCERIES ultra glued styling gel. As hard as it is to accept this, I have acne prone skin and I have suffered both adult and teenage acne, and my teenage acne was not so bad. You know, it's whatever. I really didn't care at some point because I was young and stuff like that. And my adult acne as well, it also wasn't bad until it got bad. You know, that's when I decided that I actually need to go on Orotane, you know, as a treatment plan for my acne. So I did that about 2 years ago. You can watch that video, actually. I will link it just now. And it was very successful. So I cleared my skin and everything. And one thing I can say now is that after Orotane, in terms of PMSing, I would not break out at all for the first couple of months. I think first 10 months or so, I didn't break out at all after my Orotane when I was on my cycle, which was really, really amazing. And then, so I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hairs like this. I'm gonna brush them up. I actually groomed my brows yesterday, so that's why they look so gorgeous. Yo guys, shame, God gave me nice eyebrows. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I don't get used to my eyebrows. Like, I don't get used to how beautiful they are. Mid last year, I started breaking out when I was on my cycle, but it was one pimple here and there, nothing too hectic. The dark mark would fade relatively fast, so the fact that I was breaking out, it was nothing to me. I think my skin was at its peak like November, December, January, February, and March. Like, my skin was at its peak. And I also think the fact that I had like started a new job, that also probably contributed. I was literally happy inside, you know, things were going great for me, life was nandy. Then we get into lockdown. Hey, we get into lockdown, and I didn't notice it at first, but like as time went, I was like, nah, there's something going on. When we get into lockdown, I start breaking out more frequently on my period. So normally when I would break out, I would have like 2-3 pimples max. But now I was getting like 4 or 5, and I was getting them everywhere. And at the time I was just like, nah, it's probably because we in lockdown. I'm eating a lot of unhealthy food. My diet had gone down the drain, basically. Like it had just gone to the dogs. And then a few weeks passed and it literally just got worse, and it was really upsetting me and my homegirls at this point. This is now probably, let's say, end of April. And then we get into June, it starts getting really terrible. And now I am actually like really worried. And it just dawns on me that I actually might be experiencing acne again. And I think at this point, I was just really so upset because like, how can I have to go through another acne story? Like how? Why? But anyway, I'm still not letting it get to me, like in terms of my confidence, but I have started becoming very selective when I do Insta stories. I'm hiding certain parts of my face. You know, I'm using filters more frequently than I did in the past. So the pimples that I was experiencing in the beginning were whiteheads. Then gonna fill my eyebrows. Yeah, it's a Color Stay Brow Creator in the shade Soft Brown. I was not stressing so much because it was just whiteheads, and whiteheads on my face, the dark marks fade very quickly. But then I started getting this huge pimples that were painful on this side of my face, like over here. And those kind of pimples were the ones that they would literally develop for like 5 days. And those pimples were the ones that were stressing me because it leaves a dark mark as it appears, and it's just been downhill from there. I've been breaking out everywhere on my face, above my brows, in between my eyes. Luckily, I haven't broken out on my nose, around my mouth. Listen, everywhere. I should have probably taken more pictures, you know. So this is what my face looks like right now. It's just a lot going on this side. This, I don't get this mess here. Like, going on Oratane again is not an option. The first time around I went on Oratane, I did not get any permanent side effects. Oratane is painful. It's not nice. So you know what, I have spoken to someone who is very well educated in regards to skincare. I'll also do my own research. You know, like I had concluded that skincare is not something that I'm gonna have to ever worry about, and now it's literally something I am worrying about. I just hope that I do find a solution. I'm going to conceal my brows using this Revlon Candid Photo Ready Concealer in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm going to mix that with foundation because I don't want it to be too light. But I also don't want to use foundation to conceal my brows today. And the foundation that I'm going to be using for my face and that I'll be mixing to conceal my brows is the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover in the shade Toast Haley. And this is a matte foundation, and oh wow, I love it so much. But I mean, for most parts, I'm just really grateful that my skin still heals relatively fast. I'm just really trying to not attach my confidence to certain things because that's what was making it difficult, because I was so used to like, oh, getting compliments. Oh, Munch's skin is so good. You know, so when I'm not getting these compliments, I'm just like, okay, where are the compliments? Days where I really stopped taking care of my skin. Like I wasn't washing my face twice a day. I was just like, ugh, I'm going to sleep anyway, I'm breaking out anyway, I'm breaking out. And then on the third day I was like, nah girl, don't do that, do not be this person. And I had actually started popping my pimples and I had to call myself to order. I was like, Munch, sweetie, and you know, don't overwhelm yourself with information, because the last thing I want to do is just to buy products that don't work just for the sake of, oh no, I've got new products for my skin. I don't want that. I want products that are actually gonna work. I like to prep my skin using a mist spray that then followed by a primer. To hide my dark marks, I am using some of the foundation mixed with the concealer, and I am using a brush to apply and to blend that in. If you use a beauty blender, it will just suck all the product in, and I'm going to let that dry down a bit before applying the foundation. Don't you want to come to her? Yes.
So I look at this camera, right?
Yes, you look at that camera.
What's up, guys?
Uh-huh.
You know who this is?
Mm-hmm. Too tranquil.
Way too tranquil. Way too tranquil.
Oh, the game. The game. Oh, I am the young one. Al is not a loss, it's a lesson. Al is not a curse, it's a blessing. Don't be stressing.
Feel that?
You feel it?
It's too much heat straight from the north side, the real north side. That's 015. Limpopo, GIYANI.
Yes.
Ravira.
This is my brother, TM2 Trunkel.
Yes.
Definitely follow him on Instagram,
Twitter,
and hit him up.
Facebook.
If you want some beats, hit him up. He will sort you out. He will hook you up. He's got a few snippets on Instagram, so you can
check that out.
You can check that out.
But if you just want generally some good music, TM2 Tranquil.
That's right.
Got you. Can I dip?
Yeah. Okay. Bye. I'm going in with these two shades to warm up my eyelids. These brushes are from Lind Beauty, the ones with the gold detailing. They were 100 Rand for 7 brushes. I've actually done a review on my channel. I will link that video. You guys should definitely watch it. Before blending in my concealer, I like to let it dry down a bit. This way I can get better coverage. Whenever I'm in a rush, I don't even bother with eyeshadow. Whatever the color of my top is, that's the line that I am creating. So this is my face. This is my face. I'm gonna go change and I'll come back once I've changed and change my earrings as well. Okay. Don't be zinning. I did something today with my face. I really did something. So you can see for yourself. I'm proud of it. Personally, what I'm finna do now is take pictures because...
Yeah, no, we are also proud. You must be taking the photos because I see you, Munch. You're killing them, daughter.
Thank you, bud. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look. If you did, please like this video, comment down below. Please share this video. I would love my channel to reach a larger audience, and I need your help in doing so. And most importantly, subscribe. Stay tuning into the channel. See you next time. Bye.